go to Tesla, Tesla had a good day today. And if I go to their weekly chart, let's look at their weekly chart. And so you see how we have these green zones on Tesla's chart right here. These green zones represent exactly where institutions like JP Morgan and banks and hedge funds and people that have a lot of money, these represent exactly where they actually bought in and accumulated shares of Tesla. So because we can see this, we can use this to our advantage, right? Another stock that's trying to recover right now is Meta, right? So we can see the same thing on Meta's chart. You see, if we look at this candle right here. Now, if you look down at the bottom of my chart, you can see a date. You can see the date stamped down here. So when I put my mouse on top of this candle, that date says April the 29th, 2024. Okay. So this me having this green long zone right here means that on April 29th, 2024, an institution, a bank, a hedge fund came in and they bought Meta. And if you look at the top of my chart where it has this O, this H, this L, and this C, that just stands for open, high, low, and close. But you notice how these numbers at the top change as I touch different candles. It's just telling you the price of these candles. And what we're interested in knowing is the high and the low of the candle. So when I put my mouse on this candle that created this order block, it tells me that they started buying in, which is the low price. They started buying Meta shares at 427.11, and they bought it between 427 and 454, right? So that's when they were averaging in. So we're on a weekly time frame. So this was on April, and the price came out of this range, and then